KZD120. Insert the matching wrench, and the handle are installed in the corresponding position. Turn on the power switch. Position the panel close to the desired chamfered workpiece plane. Advance slowly according to the direction of feed direction. Implement chamfering. Size adjustment. First, loosen the tightening wrench on the adjustment seat. Rotary adjustment seat. Rotate counterclockwise to decrease the amount of chamfer. Rotate clockwise to increase the amount of chamfering. Adjust to the desired size according to the reference scale. Make the panel seat close to the adjustment seat and lock the tightening wrench. To replace the blade, first loosen the adjustment wrench on the seat until the tightening wrench is removed. Remove the panel holder. Blade replacement with special knife wrench. Reinstall the panel seat and tightening wrench in turn.